Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Merrill Edge for wealth management, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Merrill Edge for wealth management, begin by visiting the official Merrill Edge website. Look for the Open an Account button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a page where you can choose the type of account you wish to open. Select either an individual account, joint account, or retirement account based on your needs. Once you make your selection, click on the Get Started button. Next, you will need to provide your personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure to have your address and contact details readily available as you fill out this information. After entering your personal information, read and agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Proceed by clicking on the Continue button. The next step requires you to provide your financial information, including your employment and income details. Be prepared to answer questions regarding your investment experience and objectives. Once you have filled out these sections, review the information for accuracy before submitting. You will then create your account credentials, including a username and a secure password. After setting up your credentials, you may be prompted to enable two-factor. Complete any additional steps or verifications as requested by the website. After final submission, you will receive a confirmation message indicating your account registration status. Follow any further instructions in the confirmation email to finalize your account setup. Once everything is complete, you can log into your Merrill Edge account to access their wealth management services. Take some time to explore the platform and familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.